Hey, what's going on, guys? What's going on? We are back. We're back. I didn't disappear. Just took a break. Just really didn't want to do anything. Didn't want to make any videos. Just didn't want to do anything. And I think sometimes we all have that feeling that we don't want to do anything. We just really want to just take some time, a break, as they call it, and just contemplate or do things that you normally don't do, but you'll do it and not have to always be doing something and always taking action. And I do believe in action and doing things and taking things under your own control. But there's sometimes that we have to listen to our body, listen to ourselves. Also depends on why you don't want to do something. If it's because of fear, I think you should do it, try it, go for it. If it's because you're just not feeling right, I think you should listen to your body. There's a reason why you need to take a break and just gather everything back up, recharge yourself, as they call it. And that's basically what I was doing, a little recharge to myself. And sometimes we forget that, and now I feel like I want to put up videos again. I want to go ahead and blab, and I feel a lot more rejuvenated, a lot more content ideas. And sometimes a lot of the followers I have here and friends, you might feel that way. And sometimes work doesn't allow you to take a break. And finances or obligations that we might have, but let's not underestimate the power of rest and taking a break, whether it be a couple of days or a week. Definitely very, very underestimated in our society today, and I believe in the importance of it. And I would like to hear about your ideas on it and whether you believe in breaks and some time off more periodically than just one time a year. All right, take care, guys.